Once your Google form or quiz is complete, you are ready to send it. Now, of course, there's this big send button over here, so we can click that. Now, if you are in the Gadsden Independent School District, sending your form through email is actually not the best choice. So I would click on that link button and you can click copy and be done. Or if you want to shorten the URL, you can copy that as well. And then I would go to your email and insert that link to whoever you're sending it to. You can also go to your Google Classroom and click that create button. Now, if you did the quiz assignment, it creates a Google form for you. But you can also just click on assignment. You can add that link if you want. Just add that link there. So this is my quiz. Change the points and do all of that. You can click assign whenever you're ready or schedule, and that's another way to send your quiz out once you're done, or Google Form or whatever you're using. So if you have any other questions, be sure to let me know.